Alright, in this video we are going to calibrate a 3D printer. The 3D printer I'm using is a Prusa Mark III. So in it, you'll just go down to the menu to the calibrate, and then after you hit calibration, just scroll down again to calibration XYZ and push the button, and the printer kind of takes care of the rest. Now on the Mark III, you actually have to remove the metal bed plate. But that is it. And I've sped this up because we don't really need to watch the uh, printer calibrate itself. So really, you just do this the first time out of the box, and then if you have any issues printing, you may want to run it again just to make sure everything's good. Another helpful thing if you're having errors with 3D printing is to use the live calibration. And to do that with the Prusa, it's actually a file that comes with it, and it's called V2 calibration. And if you go down and execute that, bed will heat up, and it basically just kind of prints a zigzag. But what you can do with this is use the adjustment knob to adjust the amount of pressure being placed on the filament as it's printed. And with this, as it's printing the zigzag, you can actually see that it's printing and staying stuck to the bed. If it's not calibrated correctly, the extruder will actually pull the filament from the bed, and then you can raise it or lower it, just kind of depending on what you needed. With this, there's a little trial and error and experience, but it doesn't take long. After a couple times, you'll get it figured out. So after you've calibrated the XYZ and done the live calibration, your 3D prints should be good to go, and you are one step closer to earning your 3D printer badge.